BarryTiger. Subscribe!
The bunny car's new outfit.
Happy birthday! Baby, this is your present.
Wow! It's a super big candy. Thank you, Daddy. I really love this gift.
Baby, Mommy also has a present for you.
Huh? What is it, Mommy?
Come with me and you'll find out, baby.
Barry's repair station? Mommy, why have you brought me here? Hi, welcome, baby bunny car. I heard that you're getting a new outfit. Mommy, is this my birthday gift? I love it.
Super Mechanic Barry, I'll leave it to you. Make my baby happy.
You can count on me. Dear friends, let's give baby bunny car a new outfit together. I can't wait. What will I become? I'm excited. Trust me, you'll be happy with it. There's a crack on baby bunny car's face. Let's give her a facial first. We have 4 kinds of facial masks. Baby bunny car, which one do you like? I'll choose a blueberry one. It smells nice. All done. Let's wait for a while. We'll rinse the facial mask off. Then dry with a towel. And now, let's dress up Baby Bunny Car. Baby Bunny Car, what color do you like to wear? I still prefer pink. No problem. Wow, so pretty. I like it. And now, let's give Baby Bunny Car some pretty accessories. We'll change the black tires first. Heave, heave, ho! Heave, heave, ho! Let's change them into pink tires. Let's change the other side too. Heave, heave, ho! Heave, heave, ho! All the tires are changed. Baby Bunny Car, what do you think about it? Wow! I feel like I'm the prettiest baby bunny car in the world. Something seems missing. Ah, I remember now. This blue ribbon will make you even prettier. Wow! I love this outfit. The repair is done. Dear friends, thanks for your help.
Wow, baby, you look so pretty now.
Thank you, Super Mechanic Barry. I'd like to invite you to my birthday party.